step closer to the prize of eternal happiness.
And the party, right?
Ah, yes, that too.
You know, once at this lake, I got my head stuck in a plastic bag. I remember falling asleep and waking up in the hospital.
That's terrible.
Yeah, I almost died.
What the
What's happening?
I think you're in big trouble, Miss Fortune.
Yeah, tell me about it. Where are these birds taking me?
I have no idea, but you have to do something about it, fast.
All right. Mommy told me once, if guys are annoying me, I should kick them in the balls. And I asked, where are these balls? And she said, between the legs.
All right, that sounds like a plan.
All right, here I go. I'll kick.
Enggak.
This is taking a long time. We didn't even go that high up.
Well, time seems to slow down when we are in...
Am I in danger? Hey, look, a birdie. Hello, birdie.
Oh,
That was a rude bird.